Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is optimizing Python code using profiling tools. So profiling helps you find slow parts of your code so that you can optimize them. Instead of guessing what is slow, you measure it using tools like time, timeit, cprofile, line profiler. So let's understand this with simple examples. So for that, firstly we will measure execution time with time. So for this, firstly we'll import the library time. So in this we'll measure total runtime of a block. So now let's see its output. So here we can see the execution time is printed. So now moving on to the next one. So the next one is compare to implementation. So for this, firstly we'll define a function. So here we'll see why this fast is more faster in this example. So here we are again creating a function fast. So here the sum method is implemented in optimized C code. Generator expression is more efficient than Python loop and fewer Python level operation. So Python loop is slow, built-in function is fast. So let's see the output. So here we can see the slow and the fast value. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is accurate timing with timeit. So for that, firstly we'll import timeit and now we'll print the accurate timing. So here in this example, this runs the same code 1000 times, takes total time and divides by number, gives statistically stable result. Why better than time? This avoids random system delays and uses same environment each time. So let's see its output. So here we can see the output, the accurate timing with timeit. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is function profiling with cprofile. So for this, firstly we'll import the cprofile and now we'll create a function work. So here this function consumes more CPU where optimization is needed. So here let's see the output of this. So here we can see the output of this. This is how function profiling with cprofile works. So now moving on to the next one. So the next one is time a loop. So for this we'll import time. So here this measures how long an empty loop runs and gives you the time. So now let's see its output. So here we can see the measured time of an empty loop. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is time a string operation. So for this, firstly we'll import time. And for this string operation we'll see how much time it takes. So here this measures performance of a string operation and this will give us the output of how much time the string operation takes. So let's see its output. So here we can see the correct output. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and this is how the C profiling and profiling tools works in Python. So thanks for watching.